your local weather authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Well, another hot and humid day across southwest and central Virginia. Eventually, some of you are going to see some storms as we go into the afternoon. Have not started to see those just yet in Roanoke. This is the view right now on our Virginia Tech Crillian Skycam. You can see the clouds overhead, but again, the rain has not quite moved into the Star City just yet. Some other parts of the area are starting to get in on the storms. It looks like those are mainly across the NRV, Mountain Empire, and up into the Highlands. The coverage of the showers and storms really going to be increasing as we go into the afternoon. And we're not going to be the only ones dealing with storms today. It looks like a cold front is extending up into New England, as well as New York, Pennsylvania, down even into Maryland, West Virginia, and then back into Kentucky and Tennessee as well. You can see how the shower and storm chances increase over the next 12 hours. I think between, say, 3, 4, 5 o'clock is when we see the highest coverage of those showers and storms. Maybe a couple of storms kind of lingering into the evening and can not completely rule out a stray storm overnight tonight. Primary threats from any of the storms that we get today as well as tomorrow will be wind damage as well as power outages and localized flooding. Does not look like large hail or an isolated tornado going to be in the cards with these storms, but certainly going to be watching out for these threats. Of course, the storms are going to be really strengthened by the heat and humidity today. We already have a couple places that have reached the low 90s. That's Lynchburg and Lexington, 89 currently in Roanoke, 83 in Blacksburg. You see it is a little bit cooler in Wytheville. They are dealing with the storms at the moment. Current temperature 79. Most of you peaking in the 80s or 90s for highs this afternoon. Then we're probably going to stay pretty warm through the evening, eventually dropping down into the upper 70s by 11 o'clock, midnight, and 1 a.m. You probably noticed if you stepped outside today, pretty humid out there today. In fact, we're in this tropical category for the dew points. 70 is the current dew point, and I think the humidity really gets reinforced as we go into the later stages of the week. And that's part of the reason that we do expect that possibility for flooding with any of those storms, because there is just a whole lot of moisture to work with. And if it feels like it's been a pretty humid month, we're actually at the 10th most humid July so far. The most humid July was back in 1994. So the humidity is really going to be with us for a good portion of the week. I don't think the temperatures are going to be quite as high over the next few days compared to what we had over the weekend. But of course, the number one thing that we're keeping our eye on is that possibility for some storms the next couple of afternoons. So we talked about today's storms. We'll go ahead and look ahead to tomorrow. You can see this front that is going to be still draped over the area, sparking that chance for showers and storms. The possibility tomorrow about 70%. And again, we are going to be watching for the same threats with the storms that do move through. This front really just going to be in the vicinity and continuing to drive those chances for showers and storms. So we're not going to have a whole lot of breaks from those over the next few days. Make sure you have the rain gear with you, and if any severe weather alerts do pop up, be aware of those. Keeping those storm chances in the forecast for much of the week. I would say the driest day for us about Thursday, but every other day we're going to be dealing with the rain, and there's a whole lot of moisture, so there could be some localized flooding associated with any of those, so make sure you are staying careful. 92 for the high today, 60% chance of rain. Wouldn't be surprised if there's a stray storm overnight tonight. The low about 72. Your extended forecast featuring another really good chance of some storms on Tuesday. You see the pullback in the temperatures there, 85 the high, but then we bounce right back to about 91 on Wednesday. Lots of humidity this week, Jaffney, and it looks like the storm's going to be with us on quite a few days. You know, a little bit of a change of pace compared to what we had over the weekend.